In this video, let's look at a fun and easy way of sculpting ears in Blender. First, find some good reference images. Next, let's create a curve with thickness. Personally, I like to start with an edge and subdivide it a couple of times, and then convert that to a curve. Give it some depth and set the resolution to 1 to keep the vertex count down. Then add a subdiv modifier to make it smooth. And yes, I know you can just use a path instead of converting a mesh to a curve, but in my experience, this just works better. Next, start adjusting the curve based on the reference image. So move vertices with G and scale them up or down with Alt-S, and extrude by pressing E. Then to make the ear a bit more three-dimensional, move some vertices on the Y-axis. Once you need another curve, just select a couple of vertices and press Shift-D to duplicate. On this particular reference, you can't really see that typical Y shape that the ear has, so make sure that you have enough reference images. And once you have all the main shapes, convert it all to a mesh. Then add a plane and add some more loops to it to create the two-dimensional shape of the ear. And then make it a bit more three-dimensional using the grab brush in sculpt mode. After giving that some thickness, you can select everything and join it with Ctrl-J. Then in sculpt mode, use a voxel remesh to merge everything together. Now use all your favorite brushes to do the rest of the work. For me personally, that's the draw brush, the grab brush, clay strips and the smooth brush. And since all the basic shapes are already there, it's pretty easy to get to the final stage. If you liked this video, check out my sculpting playlist here on YouTube.